Mandy the Mischievous Monkey in Coconut Catastrophe. The story starts with Sloan the Sloth resting under a coconut tree and reading a book. Just as Sloan was getting into his book, smack! A coconut fell from the tree and bonked him on the head.
It's somebody up in the coconut tree, tossing coconuts down on me. I wonder who it could possibly be, making all this trouble for me.
Sloan went back to his book, but then smack! Another coconut hit him.
It's somebody up in the coconut tree, tossing coconuts down on me. I wonder who it could possibly be, making all this trouble for me. Mandy, it's you in the coconut tree, growing coconuts, can't you see? That kind of mischief isn't right. Let's play together, no more fright.
Mandy apologized to her friend Sloan, and they spent the remainder of the afternoon playing together.
Hey, I'm Mandy. To see more of my antics, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps me to give you more interesting stories.